Welcome everybody to our Greene Acres. If you are new to my channel, my name is Teresa. Today's video, I'm going to show y'all a lot of ways of how we can add that fall cozy feeling to our home without spending a lot of money. We can just add some special touches here and there just to give our home that cozy vibe and style for fall. So let's get started. I hope y'all enjoy the video and I hope you get lots of ideas and inspiration for your home. The first area that I'm going to start with is going to be my bedroom, and I'm going to show you how you can add some cozy layers of bedding to your bedroom for the fall season. Not only will it look pretty, but it will sleep good too. I'm going to show you several bedding options that I looked at. That was my inspiration. I love neutral colors, but you can always do whatever color fits the style of your home. Now that I got the inspiration for the bedding that I would like, I'm going to go out now and try to find some budget-friendly options. Those sheets that were on that bed were $200. I'm going to go with these Laura Ashley 100% cotton pre-cal sheets. I love these sheets. These are very crisp and fresh feeling sheets, but you could also do, a flannel sheet if you prefer that. The first thing I want to do before I put my new sheets on the bed is I'm going to add something to the headboard. Now, if you don't have a window behind your bed like we do, if you've got a wall, you could also add a beautiful piece of fall wall decor. But I'm going to add this beautiful leaf garland that I got at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to put some bows on the ends of it, just attach it to our headboard, and I will also add some beautiful lights to add some ambiance for the cool and the cozy fall nights. Now I'm going to put my new sheets on. I put them through the washer, washed them really well, and now I'm just going to add them to the bed. These sheets right here run about $50, but these are some of my favorite sheets. In today's video, I'm showing you 6 essential bedding layers that will make a great fall bed. But first, we want to start out, like I told y'all, with some really good sheets. Now we want to go in and we want to layer, and I love dust ruffles. So this one right here was $350. So I shopped Amazon, and I'm going to have links for all of the bedding and all the items that I use in today's video. I'll provide links for y'all. So I ordered this one on Amazon. It was, in about the $57 range. You also get 2 king size shams. So this is a 3-piece set. This makes a beautiful dust ruffle. You layer it over your bed, and also it will just flow down the sides of your bed. So I love that layering effect that it gives. Now that we've got our sheets on and our dust ruffle, now let's go with some pillows. Now you want pillows, of course, for functionality to sleep on, but also for decorative use also. I love Euro shams to go along with the other rectangle shaped shams that I'll put on the bed. I love the shape and the texture of both. I found these on Amazon. You get a set of these for around $40. You will need the inserts. But just layer these on your bed, and like I say, pillows, different textures and different shapes just really will take your bed to the next level. Now I like to add an extra blanket up under our comforter, and that was an inexpensive one. I got it Aldi. I think that was around the $15 range. Now let's add our comforter. Now you can go with a duvet, a quilt, a comforter, bedspread, whatever you desire. I found this one very affordable on Amazon, and it's got a really pretty double ruffle on it, and I love the color of this. And all of this bedding comes in different colors if you desire a different theme. This comforter set right here was also a 3-piece set, so I got 2 shams to go along with the comforter, so that was a great deal. Now let's add some fall touches. These pumpkin pillows are some of my favorites. You can get these now a lot of places. I'm going to have a couple of options in my Amazon store, but I'm just going to layer a couple of these pumpkin pillows on the bed just to add some extra fall cozy touch. Now I'm going to add some pretty tied bows on the ends of my garland, and like I say, I added a 100-string light set to this, and I love the glow that this gives off in our bedroom, and especially at night, and especially when the days start to get shorter and we have more darkness. Now to finish off our bedding, I needed a throw. I shopped around to try to find the best deal in the one that I liked, and I felt like would fit the style of my bedding that I have going on so far. I really wanted to stay in the neutral theme. And Target to me always has the best selections of throws, and they did not disappoint on this day. I found this one, it's a chunky knit with the fringe, and I thought it fit great at the foot of our bed. Now let's add some special touches over to another space in our bedroom. I just filled a white pitcher with some wheat stems, and I'm going to add a couple of these little heart-shaped dough bowls. I'll have these linked to my Amazon store, and I'm just going to take a few little pumpkins and put some little pumpkin filler in my dough bowls. Now let's decorate this little accent chair and just give it a little bit of a cozy feel. I love fur rugs, and I'm going to have several options of these linked to my Amazon store. These are absolutely beautiful. They're very affordable. Just drape those along with a throw on your chair and add some more of those pumpkin pillows. Now let's sit back and enjoy our cozy fall bedroom. While I was creating my bedroom for the fall, I run across a few extra touches to add in. So some of these spaces you're going to see styled without these touches, but stay tuned because later on in the video I'm going to show y'all a few other things I come across and I added to my space. I hope y'all are enjoying the video so far, and if you are, please hit that like button. I don't know about y'all, but leave me a comment below of what really screams fall in your area. In our area, it is the cotton fields. They are ready to be harvested. Everywhere we look on my way home, there is cotton. I love to see this. It is such a beautiful sight, but it truly means fall is upon us. Another great way to add some fall touches to your home is to add maybe a new piece of furniture, and it doesn't have to be expensive. I'm featuring a bench that I recently received from Bona. And if you are not familiar with Bona, I'm going to have a link to their website down below, and they're also offering all of my viewers a 15% off discount, and I'll include the code down in my description box. But I have several products and beautiful home decor in my home from Bona, and I'd recently received this vintage style bench by the Julia series. Now this is a beautiful bench, and benches are so versatile. You can put these at the end of your bed, you can put them in a foyer area, you can just have them as extra seating at your dining room table. So many options for this beautiful bench. This was so easy to assemble. I assembled it all by myself. I didn't even have to have Ben to assist me. It basically just comes with 4 legs. It was very well packaged and it shipped in a very timely manner. But you can see the beautiful detail of this bench. And I put this over at our condo, and I had a huge wall space that I really didn't have anything on that wall, and I really wanted to take up a little bit of the space. So I hung a big piece of wall decor and I added my bench over by my fall tree. I absolutely love my new Bona bench. So make sure to check out my description box, go out to their website and shop all their beautiful home decor and furniture and use my discount code I'm going to provide for you. Now, let's add some more special touches to my bedroom. I went to Target. They always have a great wreath selection. I absolutely love this pampas grass one, but look at the shedding. I don't think I could deal with this. It's absolutely beautiful, but I just don't think it's going to be practical. But I did find this one up above it, and this one looks more like what we can use to put around our lamps on our nightstands. I want to add just a little special touch to my lamps and my nightstands and just add a little bit more texture and coziness. This one right here I think will be perfect. Look at the wheat stalks in it. Look at the faux pampas grass. This one doesn't shed. That is always my true test of a wreath in the store or any kind of florals or greenery that I select is, do they shed? But look how beautiful it is, and it's a really good size. So I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to show you how you can just take something so simple but makes your area so beautiful and elegant. But it adds just another lazy layer of coziness to your area. So I'm going to put this on my nightstand around my lamp, and I'm going to add this beautiful textured pumpkin. I'm going to add that on a little stack of books that I have, and now the nightstand is complete. Just another idea of things that you can add to your bedroom to add that cozy fall feel. Over here on my dresser, I got this beautiful cow print at Bell's, and I put it over here just to add a little bit of background to this dresser that we have. We removed the mirror on it years ago, but we used to have a TV in our bedroom, but we do not watch TV at night. We go to bed and go to sleep. So I'm just adding a couple of pampas trees that I got at Walmart. These were out during the Christmas time a couple years ago, and I added a beautiful flocked pumpkin. Now this space is done. I got some thrifted candlestick holders that I have over here, and I just filled another dough bowl full of, pumpkins, and that's all there is to it. Now we've got special touches over here in this area, and now it is ready for the fall season. I hope y'all enjoyed the video today and seeing all the many ways of how you can make your home feel cozy for fall, especially some areas in your bedroom. Make sure to remember, add layers, use natural objects, use textures, throws, blankets. Don't rule out all those pillows. I'm a pillow girl and you can't have too many pillows. Just add all those special touches like wreaths, your pumpkins, and just any other home decor that you may have on hand. Just add it in and style it and make it work all together. Your bedroom and sleep are so important, and especially in our lives today. Getting a good night's rest is so important to our health, and it just makes us feel good all over. So just having a cozy fall bedroom, I think, will make us even sleep even better. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll plan to see y'all again in next week's video. Make sure to come back because I'm going to show y'all some special touches that I add to my family room.